We are back. We are back on the No Nonsense Trader channel, and I'm Dave. And today I want to give you an Euro US dollar custom project for the hour one charts, but a version 2.0. So let's get started into it. So we're on the blog where the original Euro US dollar hour one custom project was available. And we're going to go scroll down here. And we can see here is where you can download the new version of this custom project. And so I'm calling it version 2.0, and there's going to be a version 3.0. And so let's get into the differences between the two, and you can decide which one you want to use. So we're in StrategyQuant in the custom projects, and here is version 2.0 of the hour one custom project. So let's go over some of the differences that I made to it. Essentially, I eliminated lower time frame on the minute 30 chart being retested. I thought that it's not necessary to always retest on a lower time frame. I thought it's kind of unfair to think that something designed for the hour one would work well on the minute 30 as well. So that's why I eliminated that, but I kept the higher time frame, so the hour 4 chart. I think that's it easily passes that. Not easily, but a lot of them pass it, and so you're not giving up some of those strategies that you built. Another one was the other markets, and so before on the project one, it had two different other markets. It had USD JPY and then New Zealand US dollar, and so I got rid of the New Zealand US dollar just because I thought that one is so much different. New Zealand US dollar, that again, I think it's just unfair. You're probably losing a lot of great strategies. This one, the Monte Carlo retest on parameters, instead of doing it 200 times, it is set to 100 times. That just helps people who don't have powerful computers be able to complete this a little quicker. And then some of the final changes here are that out of sample in 2024, just from it's going to have to pass a profitable score of, it has to be profitable in the 6 months period and then an additional 6-month period. And I think when you're requesting or you're wanting a strategy to be profitable every 3 months, I think it's a big ask. I think you're asking a lot for a strategy to always be profitable every 3 months. Obviously, that's the goal, that's the dream that we want, to always be in profit at least every 3 months for every strategy. But even the best quant traders have troubles doing that. So I thought I'd pump the brakes a bit there and just go every 6 months. Even though I did create some great strategies in version 1, I felt like maybe it was filtering away too many great strategies, and so this one will have more available. And so if you liked version 1, hey, tell me about it, and test out version 2 now, because I've been getting some great feedback from version 1, but I think version 2 will work great for people who have computers that aren't as great, aren't as strong to power through some of the data. And so definitely give me a thumbs up if you like these custom projects, and I will see you in the next one. We're also going to have another version 3, which is completely different.